Welcome to Amplified Artist Sessions, Artist of the Week. I'm your host, Ally Hart. And this week we are here with Wolves with Virginia. Hey, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
So let me first read to you their bio. So Wolves with Virginia consists of 4 handsome young men who bring an energy to the stage that's borderline animalistic. Songs of longing, a werewolf who just wants to find love, and even a history lesson with their hit song Dust Bowl. Driving guitars, unique stories, catchy beats, and emotionally drenched vocals. What's not to love? Ooh, that is a bio. So
it's a bio.
You say borderline animalistic. What does that mean? Everybody wants to know.
I don't know. I mean, we just let all our energy out on stage. So if you ever come to our shows, this guy's either going to be rolling around with his guitar. I'm going to be screaming at the top of my lungs, and we're all going to be howling at random parts of the song. So
there's lots of howling.
There's a lot of howling.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like it. Hopefully we'll see some of that today. So you guys can open for any band, either touring now, maybe one that's not around anymore. Which band would it be?
That's really hard to, I mean, I don't know. Like, that would be me speaking for all of these guys.
You can each choose your own.
You go for it, yeah.
Oh, gosh.
He just didn't want to answer it. He was trying to make an excuse.
I don't know. Like, I think it would be fun to open. My goal was always been to open for a band called Murder by Death. I saw them back when I was in a band when I was like 18 or 19, and I gave him the CD, and he probably never listened to it. So like ever since then, I'm like, I'm gonna be in a band one day, and we're gonna open for him. So
all right,
yeah,
you never know, could still happen.
Yes, we have to. It's gonna happen.
It'll happen one day.
That one day.
Do you have a different answer?
I mean, of course, I'd like to open for them as well. Like the biggest possible.
Sure, sky's the limit.
Arctic Monkeys. That would be my guess. That would be
that's
mine.
a good one.
If
Right.
I had to go
Monkeys,
as big as I could possibly think, that would be
Okay, I like it. So I don't know about you. I'm excited to hear Wolves with Virginia. So we're going to turn it over to them. But before I do so, I want to give a huge shout out to North Coast Center for the Arts and ACA Music and Entertainment for helping us out. All right, you guys ready? Oh, geez.
There you go.
Did I ruin that ending?
As he cries, it's never ends. Grasslands turn to desert as the mains they all erode. Black rollers cross the land, enough to break the strongest man. From New Mexico to Kansas, we pray for rain. We pray for rain. We pray for rain. Oh, we believe in manifest destiny as we reach the end of our road. Oh, we fill our cups, pour out the sand in the old glow, mud dust bowl. In the old glow, mud dust bowl. in a glimmer of the light. The groves that we cherish now lay in piles of spite. Oh, their desert glare is blinded. How I miss those old shady trees. But for now, we trudge on. Sometimes I think back to the smells of the summer. Orange blossoms down Arlington Avenue. The drive-in on Friday nights, where we sit and we drink on the hood of my car. A 67 Bug that was barely alive. Then you'd tell me stories about old Mexico and how your father just left you alone. Indulge me, she'd say, with the arch of her brow, the steering wheel pushed into her spine. The diner on Main will be open all night, so we sat and drank coffee till 3. Then I drove you home and you mumbled a line. She said, maybe someday I will end up with you. Oh, I made myself believe that we were living in a movie. Oh, the kind that always ends in a kiss, where you can catch a gaze or two in a crowded city bar. Always end up going home with me. Well, 5 years had passed and I found you dancing in the arms of 2 handsome young men. Well, I'm sorry, she said, my life is such a mess. Oh, but darling, tonight it's only you and me. Oh, I made myself believe that we were living in a movie. Oh, the kind that always ends in a kiss, where you can catch a gaze or two in a crowded city bar. Always end up going home with me. Well, the money, it was scarce, so she traveled north. Oh, the Bayside, it was never really my scene. We're just 2 awkward kids, we're just making mistakes. Oh, we never really knew about falling in love. Oh, I made myself believe that we were living in a movie. Oh, the kind that always ends in a kiss, where you can catch a gaze or two in a crowded city bar, but we'll always end up going home alone. Shot rang out under eastern skies. It tore both of their hearts for the night. Lay quiet and still in a dusty old town just outside of nowhere. She cleaned rooms, roadside motels, her dreams playing songs, love and of longing. A young man, he had promised to make it all come to life, or the dark side of the American dream. Oh, shrouded in shadows as dusk it finally breaks, the gleam of a face in the light. Sinews and muscles are torn like scissors through the yard. She can still take the blood on her lips. Well, naked and alone, only one in a family of four, a house with a yard, 2 children at best. Well, he whisked her away down the road to a small town in Maine. An inseparable love was all that they shared, until the night was as bright as the dawn. All the things that they'd come to fear, well, a secret no more. He drew and he fired. Oh, shrouded in shadows as dusk it finally breaks, the gleam of a face in the light. Sinews and muscles were torn like scissors through the arm. She can still take the blood on her lips. Oh, with tears in his eyes, he said, I love you dearly. With tears in his eyes, he said, I must put you down. With tears in his eyes, he screamed, no. Well, shrouded in shadows as dusk it finally breaks, the gleam of a face in the light. Sinews and muscles are torn like scissors through the arm. She can still taste. The blood